PRINCE2 and Agile are both very common and increasingly are used in conjunction. Therefore, it makes sense to provide advice for the use of PRINCE2 in an Agile context. Both approaches have clear strengths, and combining them creates a complementary, holistic approach to project management. PRINCE2 excels in providing project direction and management, but doesn't overly focus on product delivery. Conversely, Agile frameworks have excellent processes to deliver products but little focus on project direction. As you can see in this diagram, PRINCE2 is largely a top-down approach, where instruction, direction, and best practice filter down from the project board to the delivery team. Agile encourages a bottom-up approach, where delivery teams make independent decisions and share them with senior stakeholders, aiding best practice to rise upwards. Combining these two equally valid approaches creates a powerful tool to manage the whole project. In order for this combination to work effectively, project teams must view it as a blend of both approaches. Agile and PRINCE2 do not operate in parallel. Rather, the project board and project managers must adopt Agile behaviors, and the project team must accept the PRINCE2 ethos of staying in control and ensuring project viability.